Stop giving strangers your personal phone number just to talk to them on WhatsApp. WhatsApp just added usernames, so people can message you without your real number ever showing up. Let me show you how to set yours up. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. This one is brand new, so on an older version you won't see it yet. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right. Tap Settings, then tap Account. You'll see a new option called Username. Tap it. Here you get three choices. You can create a username, or use your Instagram or Facebook one if you want it the same everywhere. To make your own, type the username you want and tap Save if it's available. To use Instagram or Facebook, just tap that button and it pulls the name in for you. And that's it. Your username is saved and no one else can grab it now. Do this soon, because with billions of people on WhatsApp, the good usernames are going fast. Save this so you can set yours up in the next minute. Now that your number's private on WhatsApp, here's another one worth knowing. On Google Maps, there's a way to share your live location that stays on permanently, so your family always knows where you are. Tap the video on your screen to learn how you can do that.